Alright, y'all, I'm about to color this bulk hair because I'm getting my braids tomorrow.
I think I'm just over it. Or could it be that I'm aggravated? Why you be acting like you was the man? I'm not a fan. What do you not understand? Remember all them times when you told me lies? Stayed up all night. All I did was cry. Said remember all them times when you told.
Good morning. It's a new week. It is a new week. And guess what, y'all? Today, I'm finally getting my hair braided. I'm so excited. So excited. I can get out this hat. I'm getting out the hat. Okay? And I'm getting my braids. So y'all saw that I colored the bulk hair. Which that was a whole thing, to be honest. That was a whole thing. I colored the bulk hair. And it's not exactly the color I want it to be. Hold on. What I really shouldn't have waited to the last minute to do it. But I'm getting all human hair braids. And this is my bulk hair from my collection. My braider is doing it. Esteemed Styles. It's her first time doing it. And I already know she's going to do good. So I wasn't too concerned. But y'all, I'm about to wash and blow dry my hair. And then she's going to come braid.
And all I did was cry. You acting all hard through the breakup. You be back around here, it's my makeup. I'm too much, I call your cake up. Your foundation's weak, oh yeah, I need a shake up.
Y'all, I do plan on wearing these for a while. So I am going to deep condition. Now with the human hair, you can wear them. Sorry, y'all understand, so I'm trying to lower it. With the human hair, you can wash them while they're in your head. But I just want to deep condition my hair because it hasn't had it, and I know I'm going to have these in for a while. So
Be with me, but you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, goodbye. Keep it pushing, keep it rolling. I don't want you, keep it moving.
hey y'all, I'm in the studio. Here are my braids, which you probably saw yesterday, but this is the next day. They're a little bit, I need to put some water and conditioner on them. They're a little bit, she put mousse on them. Trying to make it, which I feel like made it a little, you know, mousse can be very hard. It can set it. It did what it's supposed to do, but we don't want it like that. We want it to be flowy, flowy, flowy. So they look really cute though. So that bulk human hair, yeah, I'm gonna have different. We're gonna have different patterns soon. So that's gonna be really exciting. They're gonna be pre-order though. And then my braider is gonna keep it in stock for her clients. This is all human hair, even the braids tea. Okay? Braids tea. Book with my girl. Book with Esteemed Styles. Esteemed Styles 1127 Hair Studio. Don't play with us. Okay? One thing about it, two things for sure. I'm gonna give you perfection. 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 Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, y'all. I'm at Starbucks. I'm about to get me a drink, and then I'm going to get my nails done. My nails is chewed. And these just broke yesterday. So that's annoying, but yeah. Let's go. Maintenance day. Starbucks line is kind of long right now. I did pre-order, pickup order, but it's not ready yet. I live 3 minutes away.
I think it's all overrated. Could it be that I'm jaded? I don't love you no more. I'm ready to explore. So on to you, thought I knew you. Guess I didn't know.
Yeah, I came to Chipotle because my client asked if she can push herself back because her day was going kind of crazy. So I was like, sure. And I'm gonna go get you something to eat. This is my favorite drink from Chipotle.
I'm ready for a brand new start. Hard through the breakup. The only record here is my makeup. Putting on too much, call your cake up. Your foundation sweet, oh yeah. Shake up, I'm tired. I'm tryna be with you, you tryna be with me, but you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over. So move over, move over. I told you, no two overs. Boy, bye, boy, bye, boy, bye, bye. Shit, it's going on.
Funny.
Up until then, I'll probably come there like and then I'll stay until like 6:30, 7, and then I'm gonna go home. That's a lot of time. Yeah. Yeah, it's not gonna take too long. That's why I'm not really worried about
Tryna be with you, you're tryna be with me, but you've been fired, boo, so get away from me, cause it's over. So move over. I told you, no two overs.